Welcome to our channel. Finding a U.S. bank branch near you is easy, using their online locator tool or mobile app to access banking services in person. Step 1. Go to the U.S. Bank website at usbank.com using your web browser. Step 2. Look for locations or find a branch in the top menu or footer of the website. Step 3. Click on the branch locator link to access the search tool. Step 4. Enter your address, city, state, or zip code in the search field. Step 5. Alternatively, click Use My Location to find branches near your current location automatically. Step 6. Review the list of nearby U.S. Bank branches with addresses, phone numbers, and distances. Step 7. Click on a specific branch to view more details including hours of operation, available services, and directions. Step 8. You can filter results to show only branches with specific services like notary, safe deposit boxes, or Saturday hours. Step 9. Get directions to your chosen branch by clicking the directions link which will open in your Maps application. Step 10. You can also use the U.S. Bank mobile app to find branches by tapping locations and allowing location access. Step 11. Call ahead to confirm branch hours and service availability, especially if you need specialized services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.